Fast pace. When something happens quickly. At a fast pace, we finished the job early. Quick glance. To look at something briefly or for a short moment. She gave a quick glance at her phone. Deeply regret. To feel very sorry about something. He deeply regrets the chance he missed to apologize. Seriously doubt. To strongly disbelieve something. I seriously doubt he will come on time. In charge. To be responsible for something. She felt nervous being in charge of the event. Make an impact. To have a strong effect on something. Every donation can make an impact for those in need. Strongly oppose. To strongly disagree or be against something or someone. We strongly oppose any violence during protests. Barely understand. To almost not understand something. I could barely understand the instructions. On display. Shown for people to see. The restaurant had its special dishes on display outside. Out of reach. Not able to be obtained or accessed, too far away to be reached. The ideal job is out of reach without more experience. Out of order. Something is not working or functioning as expected, not working or broken. The coffee machine is out of order today. Under pressure. Experiencing stress or having to deal with a difficult situation. He works well under pressure. Out of stock. Means that an item is currently unavailable or sold out. They said the phone is out of stock until next week. Make progress. To improve or move forward in something. She is making progress in learning English. Give permission. To allow someone to do something. I gave permission for them to borrow my car. Break a promise. To fail to do something that was promised. I can't trust him anymore. He always breaks his promises. Deep understanding. To having a thorough and complete knowledge of something. She has a deep understanding of the topic. Clear goal. A specific and well-defined objective. My clear goal for this week is to reach out to 3 friends I haven't seen in a while. Thoroughly check. To examine something carefully and completely. I will thoroughly check the car before our trip. In debt. Owing money to others. He is in debt after buying the house. In charge of. Responsible for something or someone. I'm in charge of updating the website. Quickly recover. To return to normal health or strength fast. He quickly recovered from the flu. Highly recommend. To strongly suggest something because you believe it is very good. I highly recommend this restaurant. The food is amazing. On purpose. Intentionally, done with a reason. I arrived early on purpose to get a good seat. At risk. In danger of something harmful happening. The business is at risk of closing. Eagerly await. To look forward to something with excitement. We eagerly await the weekend to hang out and relax. Highly appreciate. To greatly value or be grateful for something. I highly appreciate your honesty in this situation. High expectations. A strong belief that someone will achieve a lot or behave in a certain way. His parents have high expectations for him. Take a break. To pause or stop doing something for a short time to rest or relax. Sometimes you just need to take a break and breathe. Save time. To do something in a way that reduces the amount of time needed to complete it. Buying tickets online can save time waiting in line. Loud noise. Sounds that are very loud and can be disruptive. The loud noise of the traffic outside woke me up early in the morning. Make an effort. To try hard to do something. You should make an effort to stay in touch with family. Quickly respond. To reply rapidly or without delay. Can you quickly respond when you receive this? Completely agree. To agree fully without any doubt. I completely agree with your opinion. Carefully examine. To look at something or someone closely and with attention to detail. We need to carefully examine the situation before making a decision. Completely forget. To forget something fully or entirely. I completely forgot where I parked my car. At peace. Calm and without stress. They were at peace after resolving their argument. Do business. To engage in a transaction or activity involving money, work, or an agreement. I don't feel comfortable doing business with strangers. Save money. To avoid spending and put money aside. We should save money instead of eating out often. Badly hurt. To be seriously injured. He was badly hurt in the accident.